My dear friends, today in this video, I'm going to tell about an experience that I recently got. As per the part of my public speaking, I have been visiting different schools, and this time I have chosen 10 schools, and where all two schools already I have visited. And in one school, when I asked one of the students, why don't you speak in English? One of the students was there at the time, and he was very scared of when I asked the question. Then just quickly he got the confidence and told me, "Sir, we don't know how to speak in English, and reason is that we are not trying." Then I asked, "Why don't you try?" Then he said, "Sir, we feel shy." Again I asked, "Why do you feel shy?" Then he said, "Sir, when we try to talk, people laugh at us and people try to make fun of our mistakes. And that is the reason why we never try." When I heard this thing, then I had no answer, because they do not know how to communicate in English, not because of their fault. This is the fault that lies with the people. We the people who are well known in the society, we the people who are skilled enough, we are the people who are well informed, who are dignitaries. We people are trying to destroy the talents of the students today. And this is the reality that I have seen when I visited some of the schools. So my dear friends, in this video, I try to request all other people, whoever you are, we have to make a commitment of creating an environment where the students like that will not get afraid or will not get scared of in speaking. We need to motivate them. We need to give him inspiration. We need to tell them that actually whenever you're making mistakes, don't worry. You are free to make mistakes. Who tell? We have to tell them. We need to boost confidence. So if we are not helping them, who would help them? That is the question. Please help others to create an environment of learning. If we are not helping them to create, who would create? That's the question. This is the experience that I got, I have shared. And again, I'm coming back with another video. Thank you very much for watching.